Hi, bud. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just have a bath.
He wants the cord, but he knows he's not supposed to.
That's right. Not the cord. Good boy. Why don't you bring me your ball? Bring me the ball. Get the ball. Will, not the cord. Cord's off limits. No cord. You know we don't play with cords. No. Don't do it. Good boy. Pretty impressive, huh? I've already trained him not to listen to Daddy and not touch things that he's not supposed to touch. 9 months old. I don't know if this is normal or not, but he listens. Don't you, buddy? You listen to Daddy. You're a good boy.
Yeah, no.
Oh, no, it's the ball.
Good
Yeah.
job, buddy.
I thought he was going for the cord. Yeah. Good boy. You gonna pull yourself up? Oh. Yeah.
If I can't go for the cord, I'm going to go for the computer.
Go right for it. He won't touch it. We don't touch the computer either. Nope. Come on over here to Mommy. No, don't touch the computer. Good boy. Oh. And he's okay.
Good job, buddy.
What a good boy you are. Oh, not the remote. Nope. Don't touch the remote either. That's off limits. Well, say goodnight to everybody. Say goodnight to everybody. Will. Say goodnight. Say night-night. Night-night.